Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to drive Honda Civic manual. Start with the clutch depressed and the car in neutral, then turn the key and check gauges. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors and get comfortable with pedal spacing. Practice finding the friction point while stationary to avoid stalling. Keep movements smooth and deliberate as you learn gear shifts and clutch control for confident, safe starts and stops. To start smoothly, hold the clutch fully down, select first gear, and slowly lift the clutch until you feel the bite point. Add gentle throttle as the clutch engages while keeping your right foot ready for small adjustments. If the car hesitates, press the clutch and try again calmly. Avoid abrupt movements. With practice, your timing becomes natural and the car will pull away smoothly without stalling or lurching. When shifting up, ease off the throttle, depress the clutch fully, move to the next gear, and release the clutch smoothly while reapplying throttle. Aim to upshift around 500 to 3,000 RPM for balanced fuel efficiency and acceleration. For downshifts, brake as needed, press the clutch, and select a lower gear while matching engine revs to avoid jerks. Gentle, practice shifts reduce wear and make driving more relaxed and controlled.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.